MEGA is a collaborative manufacturing and engineering growth project which is supported by Invest NI and Mid-Ulster District Council, addressing the immediate and long-term skill shortages in the manufacturing and engineering industries in the Mid-Ulster area is the main focus part of our network, and MEGA is unique in that it is industry-led. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, like almost all sectors, all businesses and industry in the region, we have had to diversify in our approach and strategy. Apprenticeships is a main focal point in that new direction, and collectively all our companies have all emphasised this as being more than ever before. MEGA represents a network of companies, and this resilience and ability to diversify are elements of which will ensure that we all endure and flourish into the future. This united and committed approach brings us here all to this pivotal moment today in Spectrum's new factory as we launch our MEGA Apprenticeship Model. What we will hear about in this video is why and how we plan to deliver on this exciting apprenticeship model and what will mean for our young people and industry in the Mid-Ulster area.
The Mid-Ulster Council area is home to some of the world's leading engineering and manufacturing companies. We are so proud to have these companies in our district. The opportunities for our young people to get apprentices and have fantastic careers is endless. Mid-Ulster Council is so proud to be associated with the MEGA programme, and we hope that the work that they do will ensure that we bring in fantastic new apprentices right across the engineering and manufacturing sector in Mid-Ulster.
As Head of Careers at Cookstown High School, I'm always on the lookout for relevant and up-to-date information to share with pupils and their parents. MEGA have been very proactive under the leadership of Maria Curran to create resources to enable employers, teachers and parents to work more closely to help inform students about the local apprenticeship opportunities. This latest publication outlines in a very user-friendly format the various pathways along the apprenticeship route, including much sought after gold apprenticeships and higher level apprenticeships. As employers, teachers and parents have an input into the creation, this should provide a most valuable resource when delivering careers education in school.
We have been in the manufacturing business as a family for the last 50 years, and when my father started, this was a very small rural area. Today, 1 in 4 of the people in Mid-Ulster are employed in manufacturing, to the extent where it's now known as the Silicon Valley of crushing and screening, but there are many other industries as well. The engine, the lifeblood of this is our people, and the most important people in many ways are our young people. Today, our industry is looking for apprentices. We will take on 8 apprentices over the next 2 years, but there are larger companies taking on many, many more apprentices, and despite difficult times, and these are difficult times, they will continue to take them on. These apprentices will move into roles in manufacturing, in quality, in sales. Some of these people will someday be my manager, my managing directors. They'll be my bosses, and we look forward to more of these young people joining up now for that future.
The MEGA Apprenticeship Model provides industry-based information on what happens during an apprenticeship in the workplace. It has been written for new apprentices and their parents, for teachers and careers advisors in mind. The model then sets out all the essential information that you will need for your apprenticeship. It includes your employment terms and conditions, such as your duties, responsibilities, holidays, study leave, and of course pay rates. The model then shows the different pathways for all the various apprenticeship levels, what will happen at each stage, what manufacturing experience you can gain, and how your mentor will guide you and help you learn new skills and increase your knowledge of the industry. MEGA companies believe that the apprenticeship happens within the workplace. We want to make sure that apprentices get the best experience, that you get on the correct training pathway for you, and that you can start developing a new career, a rewarding career within manufacturing and engineering in Mid-Ulster.